So guys, this is video number 7 and the final video. What we're going to show you here in this video, guys, is how to put the finish on your painting easels. And it's really easy, guys. The finish that I've included is a natural finish that's called Tung oil, spelled T-U-N-G. It comes from the Tung tree that's native to China. So it's an oil, but contained in the oil are waxes. In fact, because it's cold in Las Vegas right now, a little bit colder than usual, this stuff actually frosted overnight, and it was thick, chunky, waxy, like a white solid. I actually had to microwave this for about 40 seconds to liquefy it again. But guys, this really is super easy. If you look at these two easels, this is the one that I just put together in your assembly instruction videos. It has no finish on it yet. This one I finished earlier in the week, and it has been finished. So you can see the color difference between the two. See how much richer and more beautiful this looks? That's because of the finish. Super easy, guys. With this finish, all you do is wipe it on, give it a few minutes for the wood to absorb what it will, then with a separate clean dry cloth, just wipe the excess off. You could use a paintbrush for this if you wanted. Either way, you can see a little bit, get a little bit on there. I'm just going to illustrate on a scrap here of the same plywood. Just wipe it on. It is that easy, guys. There's nothing difficult about this. Wipe it on, and especially on the bottom edges for your painting easels, guys, that is down here. Along those edges, I recommend get a lot on that edge. That's going to drink a lot more when you put it on. See how that absorbs? Because think about it. When you're using these for painting, you know, the water paints that you have, you're going to have a glass of water for your paintbrushes. What if it's spilled? If the puddle of water goes underneath, you want that wood to have some protection. And the waxes that are in this Tung oil will protect the wood. It won't absorb as much because this is furniture grade interior plywood. And if it gets wet too many times, the plies will come apart. The wood could get ruined. So that's the point to this Tung oil finish, is to protect the wood. Now, you could use paper towels for this. Paper towels, well, they're cheaper and probably more accessible. They'll leave a little more lint behind. So I have included some cotton cloth squares in your kits. And again, guys, it is super easy. Wipe it on, wipe the excess off, just like that. There's a bit of a funny smell to it, but that fades over time. Look how beautiful that is. Be sure to get a lot on the edge. The edge grains like little straws. It'll suck up quite a bit. Simple as that. I would give it overnight, and then you're ready to paint.
That's the sky.
Sweetie.